आपका नाम क्या है एक्चुअली?
My name is Nadik Shore from Tamil Nadu.
योर नेम?
मैं सिवेश, आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु.
योर?
I'm Mitran. I'm also from Tamil Nadu.
इन विच कॉलेज? आप कौन से कॉलेज?
With 3 year in SRCC.
SRC.
हाँ, SRC.
This is the top most college.
Yeah, it is a topmost college for commerce.
SRCC.
Yeah.
You have taken the admission for in which year?
First year, with 3 year from first year.
First
yeah.
year. Course? Your course?
My course is BA Economics.
These two are BA Economics, I am BCom honors.
BCom.
हाँ.
So my question is that the student, fresher, no newcomer जो आएंगे, they will take the admission in the SRCs. For them, SRCC is best or not? For them.
SRCC is really best for BCom honors and as well as economics. But for economics, you can better choose Stephens as your first choice. People come here for better experience in commerce sector, and I guess people should join all the societies which is being in the college, which is well known and well versed for the commerce students.
According to you?
There is a lot of exposure here, that is for sure, academically speaking. There are a lot of speakers who come, societies बहुत हैं, so activities are top class. There are a lot of events as well. Speakers in the sense तो अभी जयशंकर आए हुए थे to our college. So there is a lot of opportunity to learn, for sure. Yeah, that's mostly it for.
Here the mainly one reason is that the people from the South India, they think that for accommodation, Purumla, they're the Purumla for the accommodation. What do you think that?
Problem for accommodation.
In Delhi, mostly in Delhi University, for the student from background of the South Indian, for the language Purumla, from the cultural, from you can see from overall that the difference.
Language problem is not a big deal. He will answer. He is the best example for it.
Actually, I am not good in Hindi though, but I am easily able to manage and gather friends with English though. I guess language issue is not that much, but the only problem you'll face is about the food. But you can cope up with it within a year or though. Food.
Have you coped? Have you coped?
I have coped up with
Actually,
it.
your favorite food from this region?
From this region, mixed veg is good. Paratha is good. Paneer paratha.
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 Okay, for you?
For me, kulche.
Kulche. For you?
Delhi ka jaan, chole bhature.
Okay. Actually, are you also from the SRC?
Yeah, I'm all three of them from SRCC. Yeah.
So mainly the one reason is that for the student who come from your side, like the Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, for them, what you guide? First, if they will come here in the Delhi University,
Okay.
mostly what you will we say,
Firstly, will be cultural shock. Will be there up to some extent.
and then how you have managed the cultural. Explain it.
Cultural shock. Only way to manage is to accept it and deal with it. एक तो there is also like when you come from south, say Bangalore or like Kerala, you will find a lot of uncleanliness in this area. That is-
Uncleanness,
हाँ.
uncleanness.
In south it is more clean. You see a more sanitization. और फिर यहाँ पे the hostels, to find hostel is also like really tedious work. अच्छे hostels नहीं मिलते हैं. अगर मिलते भी हैं, you won't get proper like ventilation, window. At least the hostels I have seen, that is there. हाँ,
Expensive. More than.
महंगा होता है और it's a good thing. The thing about SRCC is when you come there, it's the best of the best. The best of the best. So you have to get into the competitive spirit. You have to learn to adapt very fast. That's a good thing. And about Delhi is that all sorts of people from all over India. It's a national capital. So you meet different kinds of people. We are Tamil people, there are Kannada people, Telugu, Hindi. From all the states, there's a cultural amalgamation from which you can learn a lot of things. This thing you won't find from your states because every state, in our state or any state, because we're all from a particular culture. Delhi is the amalgamation of all cultures. You can learn from that. That's a good thing about Delhi. And studying here, you have to have the competitive spirit. I keep repeating that because since the best of the best study here, it will be difficult for you to cope up. You might get overwhelmed, but you have to move past that so that you can also become the best. That's the thing.
homesickness एक होती है. There will also be homesickness for sure, with the cultural shock that is. But that will only stay for like a week. That will only stay for like a week or two. After that, people will be fine. If people, I was lucky to find friends like these, so I was able to go through that very easily. So that is also there.
And also the climate is little difficult to adjust. It is both extreme, both like hotness is extreme, coldness is also extreme. That is little difficult to cope up to.
Compared to like south, वहाँ पे तो it's a coastal region, so it's like mostly either it's rainy or it's really humid and sunny. Here, even at cold it goes like 1 degree temperature, and even at like summers it goes to like 40 degrees, 45 degrees. So that is there.
My question is that how your SRC is dealing with your people coming from the South Indian, how they dealing with the society, they have made the society for cooperating. How
Nothing special about reserved for South Indians or something, but I guess they provide hostels. There's a particular reservation for hostels for South Indians. And about the society, everyone are common over here. They should go through the process of selection rounds like group discussion, interview and stuff. Everything is common though. Nothing is special for South guys.
But
Actually-
there's like an informal community among the people. So among the South Indian people. So it's like seniors are also there, juniors are also there. So people will help each other. वो है.
actually SRC have made any special communication cell for the South Indian people? They can clear.
Nothing like the college itself made. It is about the seniors who made the society.
Senior is cooperative too.
Within the Delhi University, you'll find allocations for that. Inside the college, there's nothing as such, but we don't need it because we're lesser in number and we are not treated differently. We are actually treated as same as students. There's no problem with that.
Mostly things pass on through grapevine communication. तो फिर सीनियर से पता चल जाता है. So WhatsApp groups, everything. So that and all is there, and it's also like communication तो English में ही होती है. So it's understandable.
At last, what you will say the people who coming from the South India, the new fresher student, for them your message?
I guess you'll have great exposure over here. Even though it is different, you can learn you can learn more. Being in Tamil Nadu, being in your comfort zone, it's different. Coming
to
over
adapt.
here,
You will learn to adapt. That is there.
Also learn the language. Learn the language because when they perceive South Indians, we are opposing Hindi. We don't oppose Hindi, we oppose Hindi opposition. Is that if you learn Hindi, you have to use it. We live in Delhi, so we learn Hindi. We know it, we need it, we learn it. That's the thing. You learn Hindi, learn the local language, adapt to the culture. Don't stay with your culture. Learn to accept and utilize different cultures and socialize. That's very important because you don't know anything about their life. When you learn to know about them, they learn to know about you. You guys come together and form a beautiful community in India. And Indian unification, patriotism, Jai Hind.
Actually, have you learned from Hindi? You have learned
thoda Hindi.
थोड़ा. In Hindi, which any quote or any word they will you like?
Quote.
आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है हिंदी में क्या बोल सकते हैं?
I have one from Bazigar.
बाजीगर. Okay, आप बता सकते हैं.
कभी कभी जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना भी पड़ता है और हार का जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. I love that.
बाजीगर कहते हैं. Actually for you.
हिंदी कोड ऐसे तो कुछ
और ये सॉन्ग हिंदी कुछ हिंदी में क्या आप जानते हैं? You have know something about हिंदी. You
हिंदी प्रेमचंद.
प्रेमचंद. वाह. प्रेमचंद. Actually for you.
मैं
No.
हिंदी मूवी दिखता है. छावा मूवी which I saw recently. It is good in Hindi.
Thank you so much for giving your precious time.